Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Trello dashboard. So if you're yet to create your Trello account, simply head over to your browser and type in Trello over there and it will take you to this web page. So if you're yet to create an account, you simply have to sign up, and if you already have an account, you just need to log in your Trello account. So what's a Trello dashboard? This is a visual overview of your Trello board that helps you track progress, workload, deadlines, and project status at a glance. Think of it like a control panel that summarizes everything happening on your Trello account. So the first thing we'll do is head over to our Trello board and sign in. All right, and then we'll click on one of our boards and open that project. So for you to create a new Trello dashboard, this is an example of a Trello dashboard, by the way. So for you to create a new Trello dashboard, you simply head over to the create button over here. I hope that is clear on your screen. You click on create, and then you have three options over here. So you pick the first one because what you want to do is to create a Trello dashboard. So I'll click on create board, and then I have this option. So the first thing I will have to do is choose the background style I want for my Trello dashboard. I already have this displayed on the screen, so I'll choose this one. All right, and then I will choose, I either use this background that have design, or I use the plain backgrounds like you can see over here. Then I title my board. So let's give it title new board, and then I'll click on create. And just like that, in those simple steps, I have been able to create a new Trello dashboard for myself. So I can go about at a list and then make it signified. Thank you so much for joining this video today. I hope you were able to create your Trello dashboard with these simple, easy steps. Until I see you in the next one, bye for now.